Abacha is a special delicacy prepared by every community in the southeast and other parts of Nigeria. But Umunze, a community in Orumba South local government area of Anambra State, is special for having a unique way of preparing Abacha. So I decided to take a trip to Umunze to have a first-hand feel of this unique delicacy called Abacha Umunze. In Umunze, it is called Iu Umunze, but other parts of southeastern Nigeria call it Abacha. So follow me to see how this special delicacy is prepared by the best hands in Umunze.
This oil here is special. Manunti. That means the oil. You can't buy this oil in the market. You can buy it in the market now.
Yes.
This oil, it was not made from the oil mill. This oil was made using mortar.
Yes.
And that's what makes the Abacha special. That's why the Abacha made in Umunze is special. So you have to make sure you get the right ingredients. You can see, if similar, this one is okay. We have ungo. Now this ungo you can get it from any part of Igbo land, or any part of the country. Ungo, we all know what is ungo. And this is it. So that's it. So of course, this is Abacha. You might call it Abacha, but here it's called Iu, and there's a special way to prepare it in Umunze, and that's what we're checking out today. Okay, so the first thing we'll just start cooking the body inside the water. Okay. So that is it. So this Ubaya seen here has kanda inside. But the kanda is cooked or is not cooked? Okay. Oh. Cooked kanda mixed with uba. Yes. That one will say this is fried pepper. Look at it. And it's fried pepper. So if you're watching and you want to prepare a special Abacha Umunze, then you know you have to follow this process. Just make sure that you get the right ingredients. Remember, this oil you're looking at is not just the oil you just get in the market. You have to make sure it is the one that was prepared using mortar, not oil mill. It must be used, mortar must be used to prepare, this oil from the kernel. Now the mixing is going on. As you make it, to check whether there is salt, to check whether there is pepper. Not that you just add everything and then mix and go. So the turning is also very important. Turning is a special method of turning. That is, you have to turn it well, or it will affect the taste finally.
There is, because if you don't turn it in a special way, if you turn it anyhow, it will turn out to be matched abacha.
Okay.
It will not be as simple as it is.
Yes.
It will block, it will come together.
Okay.
Test. The test
Our special reason
test,
test.
no test.
Okay. So that's
You
why.
use a second man, no. He test.
So that's why they just try So that's it. That's why you use dry pepper, fried pepper, so that the taste will come out. Because if you use fresh pepper, the taste won't come out. So that's it. Finally done. Abacha Umunze. Ihu. It's called Ihu Umunze. Ihu. So what remains is tasting it. And I'm ready for that. Wow. So you see, you notice that the abacha was not soaked in water before the preparation started, and we're getting information now that in Umunze they don't soak the abacha first, because the water from the Obaka, can see there's water here, and then ordinary water too. That's ordinary water, and then water. Okay, the water that was used to mix the ogiri. Yes, the first water mixed to ogiri, that to make the abacha soft in the process. So no need to serve it, and that's part of why the abacha is special. That's good. Thank you. Now dishing it. special Abacha Umunze. That's what I'm going to be having now, and I'm going to be having it with nkwocha. Now the nkwocha, this is the best way to have the combination. There's nothing as wonderful as having Abacha Umunze with nkwocha. Nkwocha, that is the palm wine I'm going to be having is fresh one, fresh from the tree. So I'm having nkwocha. That is it. Wow, this is it. Good. That is it. Special nkwocha in Umunze, right here in Umunze. Look at it. Special. Nothing was added, just fresh from the palm tree. Really special, unbelievably special. I'm telling you the truth. If you're doing any event, you find yourself any part of this country, whether it's southeast or anywhere, and you want to do an event, look for someone from Umunze that knows how to prepare Abacha Umunze. Now that is their trademark. It's wonderful. With fried fish, got an egg, angara. Wow. Wow. Fresh palm wine, direct from the tree. Nothing like water added. Now this is wonderful. And please, I need to focus on this delicacy. So, see you next time.